Hello, thank you for purchasing the Digital Business Hub dashboard. Before you get started with it, be sure to duplicate this page to make a copy of it in your Notion account. That way you can actually edit it and use it to manage your hub. It'll take a minute to add and then you'll get a message down at the bottom. So here's the dashboard. Now there are 6 main pages of the dashboard. Organization. This page has resources for creating and housing your corporate identity, brand identity, internal policies and procedures, business plan, and this is where your general task list lives as well. The product page is going to help you keep track of all your products, offers, and tags. Content, this page is where you can track the progress of course creation as well as tracking content production for community and social posts. The finance page has some resources for setting up your payment processors and bank accounts. And this community page houses all your admin stuff for the community and also has a quick view embedded from the content database to see the content specifically for the community. And the marketing page has resources for marketing and advertising and growing your community, including your email marketing resources as well, with a quick view of your email content. And this will continue to be improved, so feel free to come back to this every once in a while and you can copy the new components into your dashboard. Now, each of these pages, including the home page, has a quick link drop down at the top so you can jump from one page to another very easily. And you can also use the breadcrumbs up at the top here to navigate the dashboard as well. Now, some of these pages have databases to keep track of projects and tasks, and the most important ones are linked up here in the quick glance section. So tasks due now is a general business-wide task list in the organization page, and this quick glance view shows you tasks that are due today, tasks that are past due, and tasks that are due tomorrow. Now the content section, here you can create a new content idea or a new piece of content, and I'll explain more in the video on the content page, but basically the content idea can be taken through a progression of content forms. So you can use this one idea to create a blog post and turn it into a video, and then turn it into a thread post, and then turn that into a short vertical video. So the idea helps you track what kind of content you've made from that concept, and the content piece helps you track the actual production of that blog post or that video. Similar thing down below, we've got what's past due, what's due today, and what's due tomorrow for content posting. The other thing I'll say is that this dashboard was built around using the eStage Digital Business Hub. You can definitely use this dashboard with a different tech stack if you don't have eStage, but it was built for that purpose. So there are some specific use cases in here that are specific to the eStage ecosystem, but it's all relevant to any online business, no matter your tech stack. So that's a quick overview, and I'll explain more in depth on each of these individual pages.